Well, as the name World Freedom Fund indicates, what we're trying to do is to increase the potential of freedom in this world. So we need to work towards freedom in different ways. We need to follow different paths, a path of economics, a path of politics, the path of humanitarian help. So we need young people, we need new people, we need people with new ideas, we need people with the strength and the vigor to see these new ideas through. We want sustainable projects and programs that will bring us sustainable freedom, that will bring sustainable freedom to this world. So I hope that you'll all join in promoting this fund and helping us to create new ideas that will keep our world forever new.